vegan, welcome back to the channel. We're at Seoul station. Today I've checked out of my Airbnb and we're heading down to Daegu, which is in the south. I'm going to meet my YouTuber friend Han from beautiful Korea, who has an amazing channel on YouTube that does a lot of 4K drone footage of Korea, and wow, honestly, you need to check it out. It is stunning, and he's a super nice guy. Always comments on my videos, and always watches and comment back. Very kindly, he's invited me down to Daegu, where I'm going to be stopping for a few days, and he's made this amazing itinerary, this schedule, where he's giving up his time for the next few days to show me around and take me around. I'm going to meet his family. He's invited me to his house tonight for dinner. His daughter sent me the schedule the other day, and yeah, we've got an amazing next few days planned. Super grateful to him. I'm really looking forward to meeting him. So yeah, so I'm at Seoul station. I'm waiting for my train, which is the 10:13 to Busan. It's the bullet train, so I think it takes less than a couple of hours to get down there. We have coffee, got all my bags. Daegu now. Trades are so good here. Fast, clean, comfortable, free Wi-Fi. Nice, relaxing. Shoes off. This might take me a few minutes. I've got the boots on. Gotta go on YouTube.